out of the oversold condition, we gotta get out fast.
Yes, very fast.
So we don't want to like retest, because if we're gonna retest, this is more possibility to the downside than to the upside. So today we need to hold, and I think that, William, today is going to be very crucial, in terms of the close, and so on and so forth. Could we, like, if by the end of this session, so see, here is this where the next level kind of comes in. If by the end of this session we closed lower, maybe even lower, like this, like we are trying to negate this bar from Friday, then I would consider this more bearish than bullish.
Yes.
If we're gonna close more like we're closing right now, somewhere in the upper part of the sub bar, I think this could look potentially bullish as a short-term continuation. And the short-term continuation, we just want immediately to overcome this level right here. We want a bar that is gonna at least intrude into this level right here. So then it's gonna look better, because first of all, right away, it's gonna produce that change of behavior on the intraday level in this structure. And then we could say like, okay, yeah, if it behaves this way, there is a possibility for the price to be, first of all, short-term bullish, secondly, maybe come back into the structure. So then, regardless of whether we have a test or continuation right away, let's say like a small test and continuation, I would agree with you, the next level for us is going to be this bar right here, because that was the most destructive bar. Plus, it comes from that level of the resistance that we've talked about after the Fed meeting. It couldn't overcome that. Then we are expanding the change of behavior rally, and that changes the overall picture. So I think these are kind of like the most probable conditions under which we could become bullish, at least short term.
Also, Raymond, I think I've just spoken about this. This is our change of behavior rally 1, which broke the stride of the uptrend. This is our change of behavior. This is now, it's not a change of behavior, but it's a larger swing down. And the market, as Wyckoff stated, the market has the right to retrace 50% and still remain with that force in control, as in we're coming down, which is roughly around here. So even though the market could produce a change of behavior rally, i.e. the best rally since this in this downtrend from the highs, it still has the right to test here and still remain weak. So very, very intriguing when you think of it from a pure.
And I think this is a very interesting thought. Again, like the majority has to be right occasionally to be wrong consistently. So therefore, could the majority be right about the spring and then say, I told you so, only to be disappointed by the continuation, which could be a trading range, and then just a collapse?